patrol within the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines. You are way beyond the 200 nautical mile EEZ of your country. Please review your chart.
China Coast Guard 4305 and China Coast Guard 3305. This is Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Cabra MRRV 4409. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone, approximately 94 nautical miles from Palawig Point, Zambales, Philippines, in accordance with Republic Act 12064, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, of which you are a party, and the 2016 Arbitral Award. You do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to cease and desist from conducting illegal maritime patrols within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Your illegal activities would be reported to higher authorities. Over.